a line to get into Zara. So
I failed.
Hi guys, so today is Saturday and I am getting dressed. Me and my friend are about to go to Century City. We're going to eat and do a little bit of shopping. Probably go to Zara. I want to go to Sephora. I don't know if there's an Ulta over there, but I want to go to Ulta as well. But I'm about to just do my morning routine, and I'm going to mask today because my skin is being super dry lately. Like, it's been crazy, and like my eczema has been flaring up, so I want to mask today, do like a moisture mask. So I'm about to just wash my face. I want to do a little bit of makeup today. I don't think I want to go full face because my skin is still like clearing up in some spots. And then I'll get dressed, show you guys my outfit, and then I'm not going to leave my hair like this. I'm going to leave it in a ponytail, but I'm going to add my fake ponytail back onto it. So yeah, let's get started. Supposed to leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes, so while it's sitting, I'm going to figure out what I'm about to wear.
I can even say your name, won't look into your eyes. After all we've been through, baby, all I hear is lies.
Okay, so not going in with primer today. Not really in the mood. I can't find any concealers that match my skin right now. So hopefully I can get something out of this Fenty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 360. Because this is the closest one I have. Okay, so I'm actually not going to do my fake ponytail. I'm just going to lower this one and do a bun, because I think a bun, if I keep the outfit on, I think it would be cute.
Make
So I'm going to twist it. I'm just not going to twist it as small, but I still want a tiny bun, not just a, that was real tiny. So I'm going to just do it really loose.
One look into your eyes. After all we've been through, baby, all I hear is lies.
Okay, I like that. Now for the outfit.
Huh? No.
Okay, so this is the final look. So I have on my white Vans, and then I got this bodysuit from Naked Wardrobe. I actually have a haul with this in there for them. And then I got my cute little Gucci fanny pack on. I got the necklace and the earrings from Forever 21. And then I got this vintage denim shirt from my great aunt, you guys. So I'm pretty sure this is older than me. I wear it all the freaking time and I love it. But yeah, this is what I'm working with. This is what I'm wearing today. You guys heard Erica, she's here, and we are about to go to Century City.